Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here. Today I'm flying at AMA headquarters, Site 3. It is in Muncie, Indiana, and we got the Yak 55 by Flex Innovations. We're going to have a good time. We got plenty of other airplanes, been in the air all weekend, but it's my turn, so let's get this thing in the air and see how it does. All right, I'm going to go up. So today we are flying kind of a pattern from left to right, and it's just me and another guy flying an AJ laser. And so we got the runway right now. They've had some jets up, EDF, turbine, large piston, a little bit of everything. It's been a really good time. I'm glad they threw this event this weekend, and I was mostly here to try out my new camper, but I brought the Yak and I brought my Ultra Stick, the new one from E-Flight. So this is a great site, guys. I don't know how many of you have been to the flying site here in Muncie, Indiana, but this runway is pretty awesome. The only thing I've noticed is that every once in a while they got a little bit of wind, but for the most part it has been pretty great. Let's take it up into the stall. Well, that rudder authority is amazing. Let's do a loop. We'll do it inverted now. The Yak 55 by Flex Innovations. It is a lot of fun, guys. Does just about everything you want it to do. Unfortunately, I'm not good enough to make it do all the things, but let's do a loop with a snap at the top. It kind of stalled out on me, so powered it up on the downslope. Cheating that knife edge just a little bit. You guys know that left to right isn't my favorite on the knife edge, but I got it done. I've been flying a lot of inverted. You guys know that accident I had not too long ago where Dumb Thumbs tried to pull out of it, and unfortunately you don't pull out of it when you're in the invert. You push out of it. The Yak 55, I'm doing about half throttle, guys, and it's doing great. I got my timer set for 3.5 minutes, and it's telling me it's getting close. All right, it's time to bring it in. There it is. Throttle cut. Super fun, guys. It is Sunday, so we got a little smaller crowd right now, but man, it was lit up yesterday. So guys, thanks for your watching the video. Beautiful morning. We got a little bit of clouds, but for the most part, the temperature, light breeze, everything's working out great, and big thanks to the Lord for that. And appreciate all your guys' support to the channel. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.